Let's learn I Got a Woman. It's choreographed by Michael Desire. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn I Got a Woman. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 Charleston steps. So we're going to take our right toe, you're going to touch it forward. Step back with your right and touch your left toe back. Step forward with your left foot, and we're going to repeat that, touching our right toe forward. Step back with your right, touch your left toe back, step forward with your left. Now, if you want to add some styling, instead of just doing your touches forward and back, you can slightly make this foot arc around to the side. So you're going to swing it around out to the side, then touch forward. And same thing as you step back, swing it out to the side, touch back, and then back around as you come forward. So you can kind of think that you're drawing like C's on the ground or really small curves on the ground as you're doing that Charleston step. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do step, together, and shuffles. Now, when we do these, you're going to slightly angle your body to the side opposite of the foot that you're stepping with. So when we're stepping with our right, you're going to slightly angle your body to the left. We're going to head slightly into the right diagonal. So we're going to step our right foot into that right diagonal, angling your body slightly to the left. You're now going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, and then still remaining Angled, you're going to shuffle, stepping right side, left together, right side. We're now going to repeat that, traveling to the left, so we're going to angle our body to the right. You're going to step your left foot into the left diagonal, bring your right foot in and next to your left, and then you're going to do your shuffle to the left, stepping left, side, right together, left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your step together and your shuffles, angling your body. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now some styling that you can do that I like to do, when I do my steps, I kind of bend my knees and I like for them to go out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out. Again, you don't have to, that's what I like to add. People like to kind of do it as like a cha-cha-y, so they have their hips go back and forth. You can kind of play with that section and have a lot of fun. Section 3, we're going to do cross, back, back. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to step back with your left foot. You're going to step back with your right foot slightly to the side. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right and step your left foot back but slightly to the side. We're now going to cross our right over our left, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You just did your shuffle. You're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do kick forward, side, and coaster step to the right and the left. So we're going to kick our right foot slightly forward, kick our right foot to the side. Now we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. You're now going to repeat that to the left, kick your left foot slightly forward, kick your left foot to the left side, and then do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts, doing your kicks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weights on your left. You're starting with your Charleston. It's touch, forward step, back step, forward touch, forward step, back step, forward diagonal, side, together, side, together, side, side, together, side, together, side. Now cross, back, side, cross, back, side, cross, quarter, kick, kick, coaster, step, kick, kick, coaster, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your Charleston step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our Charleston. We're going to touch, forward step, back touch, back step, forward touch, forward step, back touch, back step, forward. Now your diagonal side. Together, side, other side, side. Together, side, side. It's cross, back, side, cross, quarter, kick, kick, coaster, step, kick, kick, coaster, step, Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Charleston, Charleston. Now your step together, angling to the left, step together and step together, step, other side, step together. Now your cross, back, back, cross, back, cross, back, side, cross, quarter, kick, kick, coaster, step, kick, kick, coaster, step, Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn I Got a Woman. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.